Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by entering Roblox and joining the exact game map that spawns pandas. This gets you into the right environment quickly. Once in, make sure your character has required items or tools because many spawns are conditional. You should also check in-game events or daily resets so you know timing. This matters since spawn windows can be short. After equipping, move toward likely spawn zones while watching the minimap and listening for ambient cues that indicate panda presence. Now you methodically sweep high-probability areas, using a predictable search pattern to avoid missing spawns. Why this works is that games often cluster creatures by terrain. Once done with a pass, interact with objects or use specific items because many panda spawns are triggered rather than constant. Make sure to observe day-night cycles in the map since some pandas only appear at certain times. Timing can double your encounter rate. If allowed, deploy lures or emotes to agitate nearby spawn scripts. To finish, approach any panda slowly and use the game's capture or interaction mechanic. You want to avoid actions that reset the spawn. Once captured or tagged, verify your inventory or quest log to confirm success. If you encounter no pandas, reset your server instance, check player count, and wait 5 to 10 minutes because spawns often require low load or a cycle to refresh. Finally, if pandas vanish after an update, submit a bug report and recheck patch notes to understand intentional changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.